Hello, good morning to you all, dear students and guys. Again, welcome back to the online classes of English for class 12th. As you know that nowadays we are reading supplementary reader Vistas. In it, the first story, The Third Level by Jack Finney. Before this, I have given you the videos or the photos of the work of this story already, and I have taught this story to you. I have given the word meanings from the story, passage wise explanation of the story, and short answer type questions, very most important ones. Now, today, long answer type questions from this story. The first one: do you think that the third level was a medium of escape for Charlie? Why? You should give the answer of this question like this. Answer dividing in the headings as introduction. Charlie was an ordinary man. He was 31 years old. His native place was Galesburg in Illinois. He spent his childhood there. Now he is working in an office in New York. He is not happy with the city life. Escape. Charlie wants to escape from his modern life in New York to Galesburg. The Grand Central Station of New York has two levels. One night last summer, Charlie worked late at the office. He was in a hurry to get uptown to his apartment. He decided to take the subway from Grand Central because it was faster than the bus. He got lost in the subway. After wandering up and down, he reached the third level at Grand Central Station. He saw there everything in contrast of the present time. He saw a newspaper dated June 11, 1894. He wanted two tickets to Galesburg, Illinois, but he did not have the currency of the year 1894 and failed to purchase the ticket. Conclusion: when Charlie came home, he talked to a psychiatrist friend, among others. He said it was a waking dream, wish fulfillment. He told Charlie that he just wanted to escape his modern world. Thus, the third level was a medium of escape for Charlie. Question number 2. The modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry, and stress. What are the ways in which we attempt to overcome them? Answer. Introduction. The modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry, and stress. There are two main ways in which we attempt to overcome them. First, be realistic and pragmatic. We must realize the realities and facts. We must accept bitter truth, however painful it is. We must make efforts to mold the circumstances in which we live. If forces against us are very dominant and powerful, we must be realistic and pragmatic. We must learn to against with the forces that hinder our growth. Adaptation to circumstances is the key to success. Escape from reality. We may develop some hobby like stamp collecting, gardening, painting, photography, coin collecting, and reading, etc. Our hobby gives us a temporary refuge from reality. We may go on picnics and excursions on weekends and feel relaxed, we may join some club where we can spend our time leisurely. The next conclusion part will be sent to you later, which is like this. One more conclusion, one more way is to enlighten the world about the uses of peace and abuses of war. If good sense prevails upon people, we can enjoy calm and peaceful atmosphere, but it needs togetherness and overness of people. Thus, dear students, attempt these two long answer type questions in your fair notebook and read them again and again and understand better and practice to attempt these questions. Well, nice meeting to you the next day. Have a good day.